Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is the best place for you if you're a content creator or an online entrepreneur looking to grow your audience and build your influence online. My name's Shruti, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, do so right now. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to make money on Pinterest. Now, if you've been around here for a while and you've been seeing my videos, you know that I'm a huge fan of monetizing and growing your audience using Pinterest. I have done it to grow my blog into 5 figures of revenue in under a year and a half, and tons of my students have done it as well. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to take away a lot of really helpful tips from this video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money on Pinterest in 2 different ways. The first way that I'm going to be sharing with you is if you already have a website. And the second method that I'm going to use to actually make money on Pinterest is if you don't even have a website. So stick around until the end of the video so I can share with you methods to actually make money on Pinterest, even if you don't have a website. So the first method of monetization is using ads. Now, ads are basically display advertisement or banner ads that actually show on your website, on your platform, or even on YouTube or Google, which you're probably quite familiar with. These can be text ads, these can be display ads, these can be images, these can even be video ads, right? So one of the easiest ways for you to get started by making money on Pinterest is to actually monetize your website with ads such as Google AdSense or any other premium ad management network, and using the traffic that you generate from Pinterest to actually make money on those ads. So how this works is that once you have your website and your ad management network set up, you're then going to use Pinterest as a traffic generation tool to get more people to your website. Because the more people that visit your website, the more money your website makes in terms of display ads, right? Now, of course, the earnings can differ from anywhere between $10 to $20 a month to even $10,000 a month. These have different factors that you need to take into consideration. So there are 3 things that actually are really important when it comes to deciding how much money you can make on ads. The first is which niche you're in. So for example, certain niches such as business or marketing or entrepreneurship tend to do better than niches such as gardening or pet products and stuff. So obviously the niche that you're in and the niche that your website is in will make a huge difference when it comes to deciding how much money you can make through ads. The second thing which is extremely important is where your audience is based. So depending on the network that you have, some networks tend to favor audiences which are in US, Canada, and other developing countries. And some networks tend to favor a female audience over a male audience, and so on and so forth. So depending on who exactly your audience is and where they're based, it will make a lot of difference in deciding how much money you actually make through ads. The third thing that is really important when it comes to deciding how much money you make and is critical when deciding which ad management network to go with is actually the type of network that you have. So if you are a premium website owner who has a lot of traffic, let's say over 25,000 sessions or even over 10,000 sessions, it makes more sense to go with Monometric, to go with Ezoic or MediaWine to monetize your ad income or your ads instead of going with Google AdSense, because they tend to pay much less. Now, this is only true if you have a website-based audience. Obviously, it could be that you have just a YouTube audience and you're unable to monetize with other ad networks and you are limited to using Google AdSense only. The second method of making money on Pinterest is using affiliate marketing. Now, if you are new to this term, it simply means that affiliate marketing is a sort of performance-based marketing where you as the affiliate marketer drive traffic to other companies' products and services. And each time a consumer or a user buys that product or service, you get a small commission out of it, right? Now, it might seem a little bit difficult to do this. It might seem that you might not make a lot of money, but think about this. If you're driving a conversion for, let's say, a large product, which is a $1,000 product, and each time you get 50% of that purchase value, that's $500 per conversion. So when you add those up in the long run, that can make a lot of money for you, provided of course you're doing it in a niche and with products and services that also give you a high commission as well. What's important to remember is there are 2 different types of affiliate programs. There are the direct affiliate programs, which are directly linked to the company whose products and services you want to sell. So for example, if you're a travel blogger and you use booking.com a lot and you want to make sure that your audience has interesting references from booking.com, then you go and sign up for booking.com directly as an affiliate, right? That's one option. The second option that you have as an affiliate marketer is to actually join affiliate marketplace hubs, such as, for example, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Marketing, or even other affiliates which are specific to niches such as finance or business. This will give you a broader inventory of companies that you can join, because these middlemen are the ones that actually source these companies and products for you. And all you have to do is sign up on these programs, and get started right away. It's much less complicated than joining direct affiliate programs. And if you're just starting out, that's the way that I would go. Now, you can drive traffic to these offers in various ways. You can create a specific page that just is full of your resources, full of your recommendations for products and services. You can look at my page if you want. It's at digitalempires.co/tools, and you will see that I've listed all of my top products and programs that I use, and of course I'm an affiliate of most of them. So if someone does end up buying a product or a service from that particular page, I get the commission for all of those conversions, right? Now you can also do this in specific blog posts, you can do this in specific video tutorials. No matter what kind of content you create, there is a way for you to drive traffic from Pinterest and actually convert it using an affiliate marketing monetization method. The third method in which you can make money from Pinterest is to sell your own products and services. Now, this can be physical products. If you are a fashion blogger that wants to make your own merchandise and sell it, you can use Pinterest to do that. If you are someone who creates digital products such as templates or printables or even presets, that's another way for you to actually drive traffic from Pinterest and make money doing it using your website. Now, this is of course a much more tricky aspect of creating money online because you actually need to create the product first. But of course, if you've been in this game for a while and you actually have a decent audience which trusts you and you have a high traffic, which actually is very niche specific, then it stands to reason that they're also interested in buying your products and services. So you can actually use Pinterest to drive traffic to these products and services, which people can then buy on your website. And this is an excellent way of generating free organic traffic. You don't even need to spend money on Facebook ads or Instagram ads to actually get people to buy your products. Once you get into the habit of using Pinterest as a traffic and monetization tool, you'll see that there are no limits for you to be able to sell your own products and services using Pinterest as an excellent lead generation tool. So to sum it up, there are 3 ways that you can make money on Pinterest using your own website. The first is advertisements. Now, of course, you need an advertising network, you need to be in a well-paid niche, and you also need to have a decent amount of audience, which is based in specific geographical countries so that you can actually take advantage of this ad income. The second way to monetize your Pinterest is by using affiliate marketing, which you can do pretty easily. Even if you don't have a lot of content on your website, you can create specific affiliate-driven content such as reviews, tutorials, and even feedback for different products and services and sell them using your traffic from Pinterest. The third way for you to generate an income from Pinterest is by creating your own products and services, and that's also an excellent way for you to get established and create an authority in your particular niche. What happens if you actually don't have a website? So how do you make money? Can you only make money on Pinterest if you have a website? Well, I have news for you. You can actually even make money on Pinterest even if you do not have a website. So forget about all of the tech and the marketing overwhelm of creating an actual website. You can get started on making money on Pinterest just by signing up on specific affiliate programs which don't require a website. 2 such programs that I'm aware of which you can actually get started on right away are ClickBank and JVZoo. These have different types of ebooks, digital products, services, programs, courses, memberships, pretty much everything under the sun in various niches for you to actually promote and make money on. So one of the ways in which you can monetize using Pinterest without a website is actually just joining these affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank and JVZoo and getting started right away. Start creating pins and start sending traffic to these offers, and you'll be making money in no time if you're doing it the right way. The next way for you to actually make money without a website is when you're selling your products and services on a third-party platform such as Etsy or such as Creative Market. Now, if you're a graphic designer or a creative or someone who just creates products and sells them on Etsy or in Creative Market or any such marketplaces, maybe even Amazon, you can actually drive traffic directly to those offers, directly to Etsy, directly to Creative Market. And if you're the seller there, you stand to make more money from it. So no matter whether you're new or you're an expert, whether you have your own products or not, there is always a way for you to actually make money on Pinterest. It'll take you a little bit of time to actually get an idea of how to drive the traffic and how to convert your particular products. But if you need a little bit of help there, you can actually download my Pinterest traffic checklist, which is in my description box below, and get started driving traffic to these particular offers right away. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.